Super easy, super simple barbecue chicken. Let's go. That's right, we're starting off with chicken quarters. Boom, like that. Okay, now with these, there's no need to trim or do anything, butcher these bad boys up. I'm gonna go just like that. And so what we're gonna do, flip them over like that. And today we're going to use our Arizona Cajun rub. So, it's got a nice big kick at the end. So I really like that on chicken. Now you can use your favorite chicken rub or whatever you'd like on chicken. It ain't gonna hurt. This is just what I like. Season these bad boys up, very, very simple. Pat them down, boom, flip them over. This is the presentation side. So we kind of want to spend a little more time seasoning this side because that's what we're gonna present to the people when we are serving them our awesome barbecued chicken. Okay, so in my opinion, this is the best part of the chicken. These are very, very hard to screw up. You can cook them direct, indirect, in the oven. You can fry them, but you know what? Today, I don't feel like doing any of that, so I'm gonna throw them on my Green Mountain pellet grill. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like to cook your chicken. All right, let's go fire up the grill. All right, so I have these chickens here, nice on a cooling rack. Reason why I put them on a cooling rack is just so it's easier for me to take on and off of the grill. So yeah, we're gonna hit it at 300 degrees. About 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm gonna come back and check them out. So I will check back in with you guys in 1 hour. All right, guys, it's been 1 hour. Let's check it out. Whoa, look at the color on those. Wow. Let's check that internal temp. Ooh, 199, 199, 184, 188. All right, now this would be the time that I would start saucing them if I wanted to use sauce. But today I don't feel like using sauce, so I'm gonna let these roll another 10 minutes, pull them off, let them rest, and I'll get right back to you. All right, the chicken is rested for 10 minutes. God, these look good. Let's go ahead and pull these off, throw them on the old cutting board. Oh man. All right, let's see how we did here. I'm gonna go ahead and just follow this joint here. Slice that. Now you got your thigh. You got your drumstick. Let's go ahead and cut this one open. Oh man, so tender, so juicy. Oof, let's try some of that skin. You can cook this during the week. You can cook this for a meal prep, having a barbecue gathering, people coming over, something cheap, easy to do. Cook you some chicken quarters. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you'd like me to try next. Catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.